In front of me is TECNO Smart 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change placement of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold 1, drag it to the proper place, and let go. To save your changes, hit Save, also at the top right corner. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!